Piggles the Gaijin, Jamaican YouTuber, talking about the different types of Japanese friends you'll make in Japan. Piggles the Gaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Ikimashou! From the song, you know what I'm talking about. Different types of Japanese friends you'll make in Japan. But let's get straight into it. So the first type of Japanese friend we're going to look at today is the senpai. So the senpai, usually someone that is older than you or has been in Japan longer than you, and they will show you the ropes about Japan, show you all the spots that are not advertised on the internet or haven't been covered in YouTube videos that locals will know about. So they're good to have around. You need this person in your life once you're in Japan. And usually it's a Japanese person that doesn't really speak good English, but they're willing to communicate, and they will make you feel comfortable and help you settle into your new town. Especially if you live in this Bonisbra or in a fisher's village or in a rice field. You need a senpai in your life. That's a good type of friend to have. Another type of Japanese friend is the translator, the fixer, or the person that comes through in the clutch. Let's call them TFC. Basically, the name is self-explanatory. If you have documents to go to City Hall or any important things that are written in Japanese only, they'll help to translate it for you so you can do it. If you're going to do business, they can be the translator or the mediator between two parties. They are always there to assist, to help you fix stuff in Japanese. So like in the winter, how do I turn my AC into the heating mode? Because when I first came to Japan, Google Translate wasn't really that mobile or hip or whatever. So, and I didn't have an internet or a phone. So it was good to kind of find somebody that could help me immediately. Well, 2 weeks after landing in Japan. But that's not the point. The point is, this person is probably your most crucial friend in Japan. And of course, it's going to be a mutual relationship. It's not going to be parasitic, like you only call them when you need something done. You're going to hang out with them because that's what friends do. Right? Cherish this friend to the end. This is the type of friend you invite to your wedding and to your funeral. Wait, you can't invite someone to your funeral. Okay. Next, you'll find the majime, which is a serious person. They do things to the T. Everything is properly done. This Japanese person keeps you in line with Japanese culture at all times. They will help you not to commit social faux pas and stuff like sticking your chopsticks down in rice, playing with your food, wearing shoes in the wrong place, throwing the garbage away on a proper day. They are so serious, it is nauseating. Foreigners who live in Leo Palaces can attest to this. Most of us don't follow the garbage schedule because we have a regular bin there, and we just put the garbage in the right bag sometimes and put it in. But if that majime is around you, you gotta put it in the right bag, take it out on the right day. But no one is gonna tell me I must keep my rotten chicken or vegetable peels in my house for 2 more days because it's not the right day to put it in the garbage. My apartment ain't gonna smell like your never mind. The next type of friend is the party P, according to Japanese people. Party P, the party person, the clubber. They're always down to go to a party or event, no matter when or where. But it matters where. Because they just want to party. And that's the only purpose they serve in your life, to party. They're never there for you when you need help. They're never there for you when you're down. Once you say, oh, Post, I'm going to go to Tokyo for a party tonight. They're there, oh, let's meet up. Let's go drink. Let's get hammered. That's their role and purpose. You can have them, but don't get too attached to them. Alright? Because they don't really mean you any good. Yeah. The woke friend. Now, Japanese people tend to be very reserved in their opinions, and they tend not to actually say what they really mean, and they tend to beat around the bush, like what I'm doing right now in this video, tending to beat around. Basically, this person says how things are. If they don't like something, they express themselves, and they're probably against a lot of what is happening in the Japanese society and the traditional Japanese rules, and they know about Trump, and they know about the Black Lives Matter and the systemic racism elsewhere in the world and the systemic discrimination. All that. They're very in tune with global things. Probably even more in tune than some of us, which is scary. This friend is good to have for balance, to see that not all Japanese people are the same. And then sometimes they're probably too woke for you and you just want to sleep. Right? Alright, boom. Then you have your social media friend or Facebook friend. This person basically just adds you to their social media, and that's all the purpose you serve. If you saw, that's it. Just to say, oh, I have a Gaijin friend. Look, this is my foreign friend on Facebook. Hey, look, he sent me a message or she sent me a message. That's it. They just have you there for show. So would it be a trophy friend? Yeah, they show you off as a trophy to all their other friends. Oh, look at me. I got a Gaijin, man. It's an old joke. You have to watch another video to get it. Alright, then you have your izakaya buddy, which is basically every time you go to have a drink, they're there. They will be there for you in your times of distress, because if you drink when you're sad, they'll be there. And if you're celebrating and your happy moments, they'll be there because you're drinking to celebrate that. And if you're just having a normal day and just want to have a drink, they'll be there. You spend a lot of time with them if you drink, and you get to know them. You know, they really become very close friends after a while, because then they start inviting you to other things like barbecues and normal activity in the days like going to the beach and that sort of thing. That's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Now, these are some of the types of Japanese friends you will make or already have made in Japan. If I've left anything off the list, please let me know in the comments down below, and you'll probably see it in another video. Please remember to like, comment, share, hit that notification bell so that you can know when my videos are out. I drop a video every week. Peace out. Pickles the Gaijin. Jamaican YouTuber. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna know. What other friends?